In the year 2090, high above the glowing towers of Aetheria, Dr. Lena Solari refused to lose the person who taught her that life was the greatest canvas. Her mother, Elena, once a brilliant artist, now lay frail at 89. Time was stealing her light. Lena would not let it win. She had spent years perfecting the Solara protocol, a revolutionary fusion of neuroscience, quantum physics, and intelligent nanobots, guided by an empathetic quantum AI named Solara. Through delicate neural interfaces, minds could connect directly. Quantum processors could simulate and repair every cell in real time, and swarms of microscopic nanobots could enter the body and rewrite aging itself. On the day of the procedure, Lena and Elena lay in transparent pods, their minds linked by glowing threads of light. Memories flowed between them: childhood laughter, quiet strength, endless love. Then the swarm was released. Trillions of nanobots moved like living galaxies through Elena's body. In her brain, they cleared decades of damage and sparked new connections. Throughout her cells, they lengthened telomeres, dissolved tired tissue, and reignited energy at the quantum level. There was a moment of danger. A quantum fluctuation threatened the delicate repairs. But Lena reached out through their shared connection, pouring every ounce of love into the link. Solara adapted instantly. The nanobots surged forward with perfect coordination, completing the transformation. When the pod opened, Elena rose, renewed, strong, radiant, her body restored to its vibrant prime. The years had melted away, yet her eyes still held the same wisdom and boundless love. Mother and daughter embraced as quantum threads continued to pulse gently between their hearts. Their bond would never break again. In the years that followed, they created side by side. Elena's paintings captured quantum wonders and human connection. Lena's inventions grew kinder, guided by her mother's renewed perspective. Together they stood on glowing sky terraces and walked the surface of the moon, hearts and minds forever intertwined. One quiet evening, under dancing auroras, Elena turned to her daughter and said, "You didn't stop time, my love. You gave us more of it, more time to paint our story in brighter colors." Lena held her close, tears of joy in her eyes. In a future shaped by thinking machines, mind-to-mind miracles, and tiny robots that could heal the impossible, the greatest advance was the simplest one: more time to love, more time to create, more time to never let go.